Welcome to this big detached house in Montreal West. In the prime real estate of Montreal, sitting on a 7,960 square foot plot, this house stands out, showcasing its majestic qualities. Step into this grand residence and benefit from numerous large windows, making the interior exceptionally bright. You will immediately be impressed by the spaciousness and ample natural light. This property offers 4+1 bedrooms, 2+2 bathrooms, a fully finished basement, and a spacious garage. This residence has been meticulously maintained and refurbished by the current owners for 14 years, demonstrating the perfect fusion of historical allure and modern comfort. This home boasts a superior location, with all essential amenities within walking distance. Renowned educational institutions such as Royal West Academy, Loyola High School, and College Prep International bestow upon this property its renowned value in the school district. Parks, shopping districts, train stations, and public transportation are all conveniently nearby. This house is not merely a residence, but also a true reflection of the vibrant community life in Montreal West. Come and experience the refined lifestyle charm of Montreal West. Immerse yourself in the unique allure of Montreal West. Please schedule a viewing appointment now. For further details and to arrange a visit, please contact the Shuji Real Estate team.